नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स। साथियों, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब this channel for professional medical guidance, for spirituality and meditation, for life coaching, for personality development and travelogues. Thank you very much for being a part of my online YouTube family. Thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you. Thanks for giving your time. Namaskar. This is Dr. Lukesh Bhatia. I welcome you to my Lok Talks channel. Today, I'll be talking about something very, very important, and the topic is how to sterilize your currency notes, your mobile, your wristwatches, and any such items which are not possible to be washed with water and soap water. Neither chemical sterilization is possible, nor you can wash it with soap and water. So, let's see what is best possible to do. So, let's understand all about this. So, dear friends, you all know very well that Corona is resulting in COVID-19 disease, and it is getting transmitted from one person to another person, and one of the possible mechanism is by fomite transmission, that is contact transmission. Like supposing if I have the disease and if I touch some surface and somebody else touches on that immediately and he touches his face or mouth, he is likely to introduce the virus inside his body. Any of the mucosal surfaces, maybe mouth, nose, eyes, any of the mucosal surfaces, if we will touch on his face, he is likely to land up with COVID-19 problem. So, it is very prudent that we must sterilize certain important things. Mobile is one such thing which 99% people who are carrying mobiles are not waterproof. So we cannot wash them. We cannot use any sanitizers to clean them. So the best way to do that, and same stands for currency notes, same stands for certain wristwatches too. So certain items which are day in and day out we are using and we cannot wash them, we must make use of a particular device which is called ultraviolet sterilizer, UV sterilizer, and this is a very small domestic model. I'll show you a demo in a minute. So this is how it is. This size only it is, and you just need to place things here. We will see the demo of it. I placed already 2 masks there. The masks, N95 mask, in my previous video I have said is only supposed to be used only by doctors, right? Surgical mask, these all can be sterilized in this kind of UV sterilizer. You can put in currency notes, you can put in mobile, and we will see demo of these items. So this is how you can see that I can place currency notes in this. Just shut this off, and after closing the lid,
disinfection and coating process is in progress.
in very short period of time, something like 3 to 4 minutes time, this will get sterilized, and you are not to be worried at all that this may be one of the cause of resulting any infection to you, right? So this is how you can protect yourself, this is how you can protect others as well. And any of such items, whichever you feel like, I'm just giving you example of 4 important necessary items which we need to sterilize on day-to-day basis. There can be many other small items which we cannot wash it. All these things we can definitely make use of this sterilizer, and can be sterilized in just 3 to 4 minutes time. can see how it progresses from 25 to 50%, 50% to 75% in very short span of time, something like 3 to 4 minutes time. And once it will reach to 100%, it will give you an announcement that the job is done. Then you can definitely remove it.
Disinfection coding process completed.
So you have seen it. This is how the disinfection of your currency notes, you have done it, and you are ready to remove your currency now. Well, these kind of sterilizers are available, and what we have to do is open the flap of this, place it here, close the lid, put it on.
Hello, the disinfection and coding process is in progress.
And the sterilization process begins. It takes very few minutes for any item to be sterilized. Have a look. You can see now from 25% it has progressed now to 50%. Right. The next two slots are 75% and 100%, and then it will make a siren. It has now moved to 75%. You can see that. Right.
Disinfection coding process completed.
You can see next thing I have placed are the masks. All right, 3 masks. I have placed it all together, and this way I'm just shutting the lid on and making it on.
Hello, the disinfection and coding process is in progress.
just connected by a USB cable like this, right? And you can see it has now progressed from 25 to 50%. There's a mini USB. This is how it comes over, and now it has shifted to 75%. And soon it will make an announcement that it is sterilization process is done. तो देखा मित्रों आपने कितनी आसानी से इस यंत्र के थ्रू हम इन तमाम महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ों को, इस मोबाइल हुआ, मास्क हुए, N95 जो हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स डॉक्टर्स इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, वो अपने घर पे इसको स्टरलाइज कर सकते हैं।
Disinfection coding process
इस तरीके से
completed.
कंप्लीट हो गया। So friends, you must have observed how easy it is to operate, and it's not very costly too. It just costs 1,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees and odd, depending on the model what you are asking for. But the domestic model is something between 1,000 to 4,000 rupees depending on your choice. I will try to post some links of some of the companies, some of the Indian makes in the description box to facilitate you, to help you out, to place your orders. My disclaimer is I've got nothing to do with any of these companies and any of these products. I'm just doing this video to bring a public awareness and to help all my friends, colleagues and people at large. As you all know, I make these videos only for the sake of my social responsibility to bring a public awareness of whatever I know of. I do try to share with all of you. So thank you very much to be with me till last. Hit like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, and definitely don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. God bless you.